Educational GMAT. Your partner in your GMAT journey.
An official question. So what is the time interval between consecutive times the backup generator begins to operate? And when does the backup generator operate? When the power exceeds 30 units of power, right? When the power usage exceeds 30 units of power. Now, when do you think that will happen, by the way? Now, I'm hoping you understand this table that's given to you guys. Notice what it's saying is that, for example, machine A is off for 17 minutes. So which means machine A is operational every 18th minute. And in that 18th minute, how much power does it consume? 15 units. Similarly, machine B is operational every 15th minute. And in that 15th minute, machine B consumes 18 units of power. Machine C is operational every 12th minute. And in that 12th minute, it consumes 12 units of power, right? Now, the backup generator would start only when the power usage exceeds 30 units of power. Now, my question to you is, when will the power usage exceed 30 units? Ab- Absolutely. Now, notice if A alone is operational, which means basically after every 18th minute, will the total power usage exceed 30 units? No, it will only be 15. Similarly, when B alone is operational, no issues. Only C is operational, no issues. How about if A and C are operational together? Will that be an issue? Notice A and C together operational would consume how many units? 27, which is still not exceeding 30. Similarly, if B and C are operational together, how many units would it consume? Which is 30, which is again not exceeding 30 units. So when will the power usage exceed 30 units? Absolutely, when that's the only condition in which the usage will exceed 30 units when A and B are operational together. Correct? So when is A operational, by the way? When is A operational? 18th minute, next time, and so on. When is B operational? 15th minute, right? After every 14, so 15th minute. 15th minute, then next time, 15 into 2, next time, 15 into 3, and so on. So now, when do we find out when both A and B are operational? Absolutely. Notice these are the multiples of times when A is operational. These are the multiples of times when B is operational. So both would be operational at a common multiple of 18 of the first series and the second series. Are you guys with me? So now we just find out the LCM of 15 and 18, right? So every 90 minutes, the backup generator begins to operate. Can you repeat, Kavita? Correct. Okay. So that I understand. I understand what you're trying to say. Basically, total power usage of three machines uh, essentially means that this power, this actually, if you look at it, this is three machines, right? Machine, right? So correct. The third machine is at this point of time utilizing zero power, but that's obviously zero is also a number. Yeah. So if the question, by the way, was in fact that what would be the time duration after which all the three machines would be operational together, in that case, it would be the LCM of uh, 18, 15, and 12. Correct? Which incidentally, the power usage at that point of time will also exceed 30, obviously, right? At that point of time, power usage would be 15 plus 18 plus 12, right? But then we don't need to reach that stage, is what I'm saying, that uh, even when A and B together are operational, the total power usage will still exceed 30 units. All right.